I've been through some changes. I got nothing left to hold me back. I've been through some fake shit. Crazy how it feels when I look back.
Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, it's been such a long time since I think the last thing I did was my Miami vlog. But y'all, today is gonna be something different. Y'all never see me do this type of video. I'm usually just vlogging, but I have a new headband wig. So I know like this was trending all last year during quarantine. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this pandemic through this last year, my butt has been kicked by life. That's why I haven't been vlogging. Maybe I'll do a life update at some point, but right now I kind of just want to keep like family things personal. Excuse my background, I'm moving stuff in my room, so my light here you can see, ignore that. And I just threw this backdrop up. But y'all, UNICE, I will find the link to the one that I have and will post it in the description at some point. I have to find it again because this was ordered a while ago. But in the box, so let's show you. So let's do an unboxing. In the box, on top we have the wig. We're gonna put that to the side. Came with two headbands. And then there's this little pink bag. And in the bag it has a wig cap, some press-on nail color things, some lashes. I could have used these lashes today, but oh well, I already did my makeup. And then, let's see. How do I get this open? This is a true unboxing. Okay, and this is a silk edge. But I already did my edges, and I just have on my little raggedy thing. So I have my natural hair just in two braids. My edges are already laid. So let's put this stuff back. I guess, do I really need the wig cap, y'all? I guess we could try it. So, alright, let me tell y'all something. Y'all remember back in the day, so this is gonna show my age, but I don't care. Like, I've accepted how old I am. I'm 36. It is what it is. But back in the day, remember we had those half wigs. This is just like the half wigs as far as I'm concerned. Like just calling it something different. Hold on, y'all, let me move this. So let's get into this wig. So I don't remember, what color is this? I know it's 20 inches. I don't know, like I said, I'm gonna try to find it. But y'all, look at this color. This color is so cute. And I do like that the roots are dark, so it looks like it's naturally coming from your hair. Oh, taking off this little hair net. But let's get into this. So I'm going to put on the wig cap. So yeah, y'all see I just got my hair in two little braids. Let's put this wig cap on. I don't know if I really need the, y'all. How this supposed to go? Who had this supposed to fit? Oh, Lord, That's tight. But anyway, like I said, I haven't worn a wig since I was probably like 15, 16. When they had the half wigs. Ooh, y'all, I don't know if I want this on. Maybe I should do it without this. Alright, but anyway, the wig comes with a comb here, two combs on the side, one in the back, and then this strap to make it secure. So let's just see. I'm excited. Let's see how this is gonna look. Alright, don't knock the backdrop, Lindsay. Let's see. I think this needs to be pulled back some. Hold on, y'all. This up too far. Alright, there we go. Now, let's see. One comb there. Where the other comb at? Comb there. Come on, wig. Act like you got some sense. Yo, I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, wait, a comb. What the heck? Hold on. Alright, a comb there. Why is this not looking even? Alright, I need you to... Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. Alright, now let's pull this in the back. Comb there. Alright. Okay, it's on. Hold on a second. I want to move this back some. I don't like the way that looks. But I'm probably going to put on a different... Alright, hold on. Let me strap this in the back. Do this little strappy thing. Well, that does make it secure. Well, that makes it feel more secure to me, at least. Alright, let's try to brush this thing. Does it look too wiggy, y'all? I don't know. 'Cause I don't ever wear wigs. What y'all think? I think it needs to be moved a little bit. My hair is so... I have naturally soft hair. I feel like it's sliding already. Which I'm not feeling. So let's try to move this around some. Is it tight enough in the back? Let's see, let's make it a little bit tighter. There we go. Y'all getting the raw and uncut, and I'm not even gonna edit this because I don't even know what I'm doing. And guess what? Somebody else might get this and might not know what they're doing either. Let's look in the box. So either one of them really fits what I have on today, but we're gonna go with the lighter one, I guess. Oh, look, my nails are matching. Look at these, y'all. These cute. My girlfriend from Baltimore does nails. She did this set. Now, y'all, do I need to put this back some? I feel like you can see my edges, so it should be okay. I don't know. I'm gonna ask my daughter, because she be knowing. Oh, come on. All right, y'all, let's put this headband on and see if I like the way that this looks with it. Oh, I might can go out tonight. My little headband wig on, but yes, okay, that is so cute. Hey, wait, come on, I thought you got some sense. Just a little bit, please. Okay, I like the way it looks better now with the headband. Period. She is cute, honey. Okay. Y'all, I might get down with these headband wigs. Wait a minute. I might go back on this site and order me some more. Let me stand up. Oh, the light is not there. Dang, I want to show y'all how it looks in the back. It looks so cute. And I am totally... Uh-oh, we gotta hide the black. Gotta hide the black. And that's on, period. So, y'all, let me find the link. UNICE headband wig. I believe this... I want to say this is the color 30. But I don't know for sure. We're going to say that. And then I'm going to link it below. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to do a life update video, because like I said, I haven't vlogged since Miami, which was September, my birthday of last year. My life since September has just... People always say to me, like, you don't even look like what you've been through. No, I don't. I've been through so much. I'm even emotional thinking about it now because something else happened today. But let me know if y'all want me to do a story time of what's been going on with me and my family. Yeah. And maybe I will. I don't know. But this is my unboxing of my UNICE headband wig. And we're going to see how this works out, honey. See y'all in the next vlog.